he touched my life, our life, and talagang regardless Tito Boy, we're all crying talaga talaga sa Bujo yung umiiyak talaga kasi hindi, it's not parang showbiz din kasi Tito Boy, your birthday. Happy birthday, Tito Boy, we love you. My wish for you, Tito Boy, is I think your wish for your mother, good health, para mapagpatuloy ng everything that you're doing, because I think in Ate Cecily's letter says the pinaka-best thing that you've made a difference not only in our lives and your friends' life, but lahat ng mga manonood, you make a difference and change their lives. Kaya thank you. Sana there are many, many more years for you to do the Eric.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy.
Meron siyang kayo, no?
Meron tayong marami kami pinagsamahan, Tito Boy, na
Kaya marami.
kumbaga yung relasyon namin
Umangin ka na.
manager, artist. Isang matayang na kaibigan.
More than that. Boyfriend.
By virtue of talent management. Aminin mo na ikaw talaga favorite. Ako naman, Chris, before I was chosen to be your vlog, napapanood ko yung Tito Boy sa TV. Pero like, this is 1 year, more than a year into the vlog, sabi ko, Tito Boy, your person. Napaka-generous. Magkakmahal. Alam ko, if there was ever a chance na tulungan niya ako, because he loves me as a person. Thank you very much.
Mga kaibigan, the chat that we do here sa television, may mga pagkakataon na I have offended actors, actresses.